Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how to fix a PEO setup error for the Justworks. So let's start with the first step, which is to open your setup checklist. So from here, you have to sign in to Justworks and click Company Setup on the dashboard. Now a red error badge marks the step that failed. Next is read the error details. So you have to click on bank account verification row. So Justworks explains the micro deposit verification has failed. Next is re-enter the micro deposit amounts. So check your bank statement for the two small deposits from Justworks, then type both amounts and click verify. Next is reconnect the payroll sync. So open your settings, tap on integrations and click reconnect. Now on the disconnected payroll connection to clear the sync error. Lastly is confirm setup is complete, so return to the company setup. So the bank steps now shows a green check and the checklist reads complete. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one.